Alright guys, so we're just gonna do a quick unboxing of this and let's take a look around the box. I can tell you that there's the French part on one side and just not that much information, so there isn't that much more than you would see on the website, for example. Let's just open this up, and it does come sealed with some tape on it. You get some instructions with it, which are extremely simple, so we're not really gonna take a look at these. And here's this little guy. Alright, so it is pretty small. I thought it would be a little bit bigger. I could compare it to the size, for example, of an iPad. In the bottom area, we do get a little bit more information about this. And I want to highlight the modes that you have right here. So you only have these. So you got your fan, and then you got your max heat. So there's not that many options. And then to turn off, all the way here. So it's very, very basic. I would also like to highlight that this does feel a little bit more weight to it than what I thought it would be. So it is very light, but I thought it would be a little bit cheaper looking. But this is not bad. It doesn't feel that cheap. So hopefully it will last. I will do a long-term review of this later on. I do have to test it out for a few weeks at least before I can run that video. However, for the unboxing, this is really simple because that's all we're gonna do. That's all you guys get in the box. There's nothing more. There's this cable. It's pretty long. It's pretty much your standard cable. Alright, so before I turn it on, I want to highlight that if this is a safety thing. So if this falls over for any reason, this will automatically turn off. You can't even turn it on if this is flipped over. So that's a good thing about it. So let me just show you. So you guys hear that? That's just the fan turned on right now. However, that's the safety feature right here. That's what this is for. It just shuts down if it falls over, which is very important when it comes down to these heaters. And if I put it back, it's just gonna start up again as long as I put it back up. Now I'm gonna put it to medium, and I can feel already there's some warmth air coming out of it. It's pretty warm actually for being medium heat. It's pretty nice, and right away. And then max heat, I'm guessing this will take a lot longer. Alright, so I can feel the fan speed went down a little bit, but it is significantly warmer. It's really warm and really fast. As soon as I did that, I can feel the warmth difference. Yeah, that's not bad at all, guys. So right now you guys can hear and see the fan going. On the video it's gonna look kind of weird though. I get it because of the frames per second that you actually record this at. It's different than what you actually see with your eyes. But anyways, as far as this video goes, that's it. If you guys have any comments, questions, you guys can write down here in the comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and rate. Thank you.